we have Mrs. Smith. She has been noticing lately that she has not been sleeping well, and she is more irritable. She has also noticed that she's feeling more shaky and nervous. She has lost a lot of weight even though she has a good appetite, as well as her eyes have begun to protrude. She's also noticed that her neck has been swelling. Mrs. Smith has also been going to the bathroom a lot more frequently, so she's decided to go to the hospital. She then speaks with a nurse who tells her that according to her symptoms, she has Graves' disease, which is a type of hypothyroidism.
Normal physiology. So normally, the hypothalamus produces a hormone called thyroid-releasing hormone, which then goes to the pituitary gland, stimulating it to produce thyroid-stimulating hormone. TSH sends a message to the thyroid gland to produce T3 and T4. This is needed to stimulate metabolism. To maintain normal homeostasis, lack of T3 and T4 sends a message to the hypothalamus to produce THR. Too much T3 and T4 sends a message to the hypothalamus to stop producing THR. This is called a negative feedback loop.
Graves' disease is an autoimmune disease, meaning your body produces autoantibodies. The T lymphocyte becomes sensitized to the normal thyroid self-antigens, stimulating the B cells to produce the IgG antibodies. IgG antibodies bind to the TSH protein receptor antibodies, mimicking TSH and stimulating the production of thyroid hormones. This causes an increase in metabolism. To try and maintain homeostasis, a message is sent to reduce the production of TSH from the pituitary and TRH from the hypothalamus.
Metabolism is essential for proper development and differentiation of cells in our body. These thyroid hormones are needed in the regulation of carbohydrates, lipids, and proteins. And in doing that, they also speed up cardiovascular function, digestive and urinary functions, as well as increase our body temperature. As a result of an increase in T3 and iodine uptake, you have an increase in metabolic rate. And because you have an increase in metabolic rate, this is why we see the symptoms such as weight loss, bulging of the eyes, swelling of the neck, heat intolerance, nervousness, fatigue, all that. Related to the three key concepts, cell membrane, protein, and homeostasis, the thyroid hormones crosses the cell membrane in a way similar to steroids and begin protein synthesis in the nucleus. In persons with Graves' disease, there are antibodies, which are proteins that bind to TSH protein receptor sites, making the job of TSH. The body tries to get back to homeostasis by inhibiting the release of TSH and TRH.